Back to the video. As you can see, we're at the Lowrider S today. Lowrider ST. I got the one of the bags on there so you could see like the difference. Let me hop over to the other side. That's what it looks like without the bags and with the bag from this angle right here. So pretty good looking bike. See, to get in here you just lift this up, pull it down, and in there get a pretty good amount of room. And then close it back up. Obviously you have to keep that lifted and then close. So you got the front fairing and everything right there. Good looking bike, even with the bags on. Really nice looking bike. And the tail end, obviously that's why they relocated this to here, because with the bags there. These don't really bother me that much when they're on, because you just gotta have them on if you want to put the bags on. But yeah, definitely a good looking bike. And then to take the bag off, it's super easy. You just lift that up, take this knob, you pull towards you, and then twist up till this comes up forward, and then go ahead, shut that off again, and then you just slide it backwards like that, and it comes off. Set that there for now so it doesn't get damaged, and we'll go ahead, keep looking at the bike. See, it's got more of like a Lowrider S style now with the just the front fairing on it, which I like the way the look of. And catch you guys back when we're on the road. Back to the riding portion of this video. Obviously we're just in the garage. I was showing you guys what the bike looks like with the bags and the bag off on either side. How to take the bag off. Super easy, super simple. Like I said before, the reason why I don't ride with the bags on is because, like, for right now, like, I'm not going anywhere. When I ride, it's not when I'm going to run an errand or something. I mean, if I was going to run an errand and I wanted to take the bike, I'd throw the bags on, obviously, but I don't really need them on right now, so there's not really any point in, like, risking damaging them or anything like that, unless I, like, have to have them on or something, as you can see. So super simple to put on and off, so it's really nice if you don't want to have them on that when you're riding. They don't even weigh that much, but it's saving a little bit of weight, I guess. Like, the bags don't affect the bike's handling or anything like that either, just so you know. It's been so cold lately and then raining, so I haven't been able to do much, and then been still super busy with the puppy and stuff. I love him, but he's definitely driving me a bit crazy. But I mean, that's a puppy, so definitely glad I get to come out here and ride today. It's supposed to be super nice today and tomorrow, so probably gonna try to record a video while I'm doing the video today, obviously, and then tomorrow I'll probably try to record one for the next video, just because I don't know when it's gonna be that nice again, so we shall see. Right now we're just gonna cruise on the Lowrider. Do I regret buying the Lowrider ST over the Lowrider S? Nah. Yeah, you're not passing me. This bike is definitely super comfortable from the get-go. Slow down, lady. Jesus. Stupid lady, bro. God. Always gotta be careful for idiot drivers like that. And I'm just gonna get out in the front and get out of here. Oh my god, it feels so good to be back on the bike again. feels so nice. Every time it's like bad weather and then it turns really nice, people just start driving like idiots, man, I swear. Like, just get away from me if you can be driving like that. But I think you can't go wrong if either this bike or the Lowrider S. I mean, like I said, it's really simple. It's either you want the Lowrider S and you're not that worried about wind, or doing the mods for like bags and stuff like that, or fairing. If you live somewhere where it's not cold, or even if you do and you're not planning on riding during the winter, then the Lowrider S is real good. A lot cheaper than this one, obviously, because it comes with the bags and the fairings and stuff. So, and you could do that yourself. But if you're just trying to get a bike that's ready, you want something with a fairing and it's able to go long distance like a tour, but not as heavy as a tour, then this is the bike for you. On the Softail platform too. Yeah, the bike freaking rips. Definitely leans into corners well too. I can't tell how much different it is from the Lowrider S in that regards, but I mean, this bike, it falls into the corners and then it's not like scary falling, just like it just wants to lean and then get brought back up and stuff like that. Once you exit the corner, it just feels super satisfying and nice. I haven't ridden on this road for a while. I just decided to do it because it's like a mini highway, I guess, and I just want to go. Not have to worry about people that much. I mean, there's obviously people on this road, but I can just chill and just not have to worry that much. Just ride. I feel bad for everybody down in Florida that was affected by the hurricane and all that, especially the bikers and stuff like that, and all these people got their homes destroyed. Like, dang, that must really suck, man. Couldn't imagine that. If I was down there, I would have definitely got on my bike and left. Well, I had trailered my bike somewhere or something, but because yeah, dude, there's no way I'm risking my bike to, especially to some ocean water. Like, nah, I'm good. Oh, going like a bit of construction up here. Sorry, I'm not talking that much. I'm just enjoying this ride right now. Been like a while since I've been on the bike, so I'm just out here enjoying the ride right now. So if I'm not talking that much, that's probably why. So sorry about that. But I mean, this bike can handle anything you want it to. Like, seriously. I like this bike because it's literally like a do-all. Like I said, it's like it's got the bags on it, so if you don't want a traditional touring bagger and stuff like that, it's got the decent bags. Because I mean, if you go with the Lowrider S to put bags on there, they're not going to be as big as these ones unless you custom fit the Lowrider S to fit these bags. So yeah, that's one thing. Like I said, the wind fairing, it's new to 2022. they spent a lot of time testing the whole thing, and I mean, it works great. So like I said, I get a lot more wind protection from this fairing than I ever would from the other fairing I was hoping to get. But yeah,